Hatching the Cosmic Egg
by Michael J. Durer, is illustrated by Beth Wilson.
Close your eyes and try to think of the very biggest thing you can.
Is it a great gray elephant?
A tall, snowy mountain.
The deep blue ocean?
The hot golden sun.
A distant twinkling star?
It's the universe. The universe is the very biggest thing. The universe is like a giant egg filled with everything there is.
Still, there are so many things in the universe that nobody, not even the greatest scientists, can know them all. Maybe we should hatch open the egg and look at just one part of the universe, the living part, all the life that lives or has ever lived here on Earth. How many living things do you think that is?
There are scaly fish, slippery salamanders, buzzing bees, furry puppies, cackling hens, scurrying spiders spinning their webs. Plants are alive too. Giant green redwoods, delicious strawberries, creeping ivy, and fields of corn tall to feed the squealing pigs.
Even seaweed is alive. It's called algae. So are mushrooms and toadstools. They're called fungi. Soft mosses, colorful lichens, fermenting yeasts, and tiny bacteria are alive, and so are you and your family.
Yes, you are alive, just like trees, the puppies, the mosses, and the spiders. We are all living things, and all of life is like an egg filled with every living being there is or ever was.
Still, there are so many living things that nobody, not even the greatest scientists, can know everything about all of them. Maybe we should hatch open the egg of life and look at just one kind of life. Humanity, the people like you and me and everyone who has ever lived here on Earth. You probably know that you're a human being, but have you ever stopped to think about what being human actually means?
Humans live all over the world in every climate. We live in the hot, damp jungles and freezing Arctics. We live in humid marshes and boggy biomes. We live in dry deserts and fertile farmland and in green forests. Humans live in tribes and clans. We are so similar, yet so diverse.
We're innovators and inventors. We discovered fire and learned to cook. We discovered cooperation and worked together. We discovered color and invented art. We found rhythm and learned to dance joyfully to the music that we made.
We built huts, houses, apartments, lean-to, highways, railroads, airports, seaports, deep mines, and towering skyscrapers. Humans have done so much and lived in so many ways and places around our world.
Yes, you are human, just like all the other humans.
Still, there is so many humans and human achievements that nobody, not even the greatest scientists, can ever know about all of them. Maybe we should hatch the egg of humanity and look at the two of humanity's glorious inventions, language and math.
Language. Language means words and sounds. We communicate through nouns and verbs, sentences and paragraphs. Reading helps us to understand people from far away as well as nearby.
You have language inside you. Language helps us to make us who we are and helps us being part of human beings.
There's also the language of numbers, which we call mathematics. How many numbers do you think there are?
There are too many numbers to count. There is actually no limit to the number of numbers.
Mathematics is also about shapes. Lines and squiggles, curves and zigzags, cubes and squares. Shapes are all around us, like donuts and kites.
Shapes are even inside of us. Our cells, our bones, and even our bodies themselves are shaped.
From the universe, which is so big, life emerged. From all of life came humanity. We humans invented language and mathematics. At the center of this marvelous story is you. You are one individual person with the great gifts of language and mathematics.
You are also humans. You belong to the universe. You are one with the universe. You are in the universe, and the universe is in you. You are a child of the universe, just like every other single thing. You belong here. This is your home.
The end.
Thanks for listening.